रब इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़्हिना फ़िद्दीन. Today we are doing FG board maths chapter 9 exercise 1 and it is the average concept. It is the new concept and today I am telling you about average because on Monday the exam is held, so we are doing average. First of all, we do the question. We have to understand what is the average. Average, you can say that if you take the example, if you have the different things in your room, uh, as I take the example in my room, there are the chairs, table, whiteboard, and books, or different fan and dice. So if I add all of these, I write then chair plus table plus book plus dice. I take the four things. So I divide it with 4 and I add all the things. So after the division, which answer come, it is the average. So this is also we are doing here. Question 1, find the average of the following. Part A, question 1, 4, 13, 25, 32, 42, 52. Students are as it is the values and divide it. No, it is the wrong concept. You have to write first of all the solution, then put the formula average. Average is equal to sum of values divided. This line is the sign of division and we also say the fraction line. Number of the values, as we take the examples, we take the 4 things, chair, table, dice, books. So here I say average, we are taking average. So I write 4 plus 13 plus 25. Not we put the comma. Mostly students put the comma between these values. So now plus 32 plus 42 and here plus 52. And now we count how many values are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total values are the 6. At this level, you are in the class 5, you are not allowed to choose the calculator. So, here you write on this side, put a straight line and write RW. RW in rough work. So, first of all, you put their greater value 52, 42, 32 plus 25, 13 and the last number is the 4 and here I put the plus sign. So, you add all the values. So, the answer of the values by addition is 1. Here, I write the 8. And total value sum is 160. Here, I write the 168. After addition, all the values after addition, we get 168. And number of the values are the 6. Because these all values were the 6 and I put the 6. Now we again divide on the rough side because you are not allowed to use the calculator. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. 18 is greater. So we take the equal value or less value but not the greater value. 6 twos are 12. Now we'll subtract. Now we subtract. First of all, we write, I put the arrow and 8. We put the 8. 6 में से आपने 2 को माइनस किया, आंसर क्या है? 4. Here. So I write again. अब आपने क्या करना है? Now you have to again divide. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. 6 8s are 48. Again 6 8 are 48. You have to read all the table and you will come on that point where 48 comes. So there is no value. After the subtraction, it is the 0. So 6 8 are 48 and the upper side you are seeing this. This is the answer. So 28 is the answer. Now the basic, it have the more 3 parts. So all the 3 parts of this question are on the same method. The main question of this exercise, which is very difficult to understand for the students, this is the question number 3. Sorry, question number 4. Because in this question we solve all direct method, but in the question number 4, the student have some difficulty. So we have to understand. First of all, if we did that question, we have to understand what is the statement is saying. If you understand the statement, we can do very well. So, first of all, we solve the question, we have to read this statement. The average number of the students in 18 schools situated in a city is 1150. Find the total number of students in these schools altogether. In the question, the statement is saying, in a city there are the total number of the students in average of the students is 18 in the 1150 schools. So they are saying what is the total number of the student total. This we have to find. So I write the first 2 letters and the last. This is the point how we can write the statement. Students, I hold the question on the paper. No, it is not necessary. So I write here all together. As you can see that. So I put here this solution, heading solution, and I put here the formula average. Average is equal to, in the question, 18 schools is situated in a city. So I have total number of students. Are you understanding? Total number of students. Okay. Now I put the fraction line and here I write the number of schools. Number of schools. So I put the values in the question, in the formula. So again we read in the question, the average number of students in 18 schools, mean the average is 18 and the schools situated in a school, number of the schools in the city is 1150. Okay, but we don't know the total number of students, so we write here total number of students as it is, as we write it on the upside. So this is the end. Here I also want to tell you that equal is put before the fraction line. So you can see that equal is there. So now what we do? How can we solve? Here we have to find the total number of the students. Here you see the 1150. It is divided. So it is divided, it become multiplied with the other number on the other side. If anything is divided, when it comes to the other side, it becomes multiplied. If any value is multiplied, on the other side, it will be divided. So, I write here 18 multiply 1150, and here I write as it is. Total number of students. Clear? Okay. You see, because 1150 has gone with the 18. So, we multiply. Here you write the rough work because you are in class 5th. So, you do the rough work 1150 multiply with 18. Okay. No. 18 0 0. 18 5 is 44. 40 0 is here and 40 is carry. 8 1 is 8. 4 को add किया. Now we add the 4. 12 12 2 1 carry. 8 1 is 8. 1 9. Now we put here the 0 according to the rule. 1 0 0. 1 5 is 5. 1 1 is 1 and 1 1 is 1. Here we are doing addition 0. 5 to 7, 9 1 10 0 or 1. Now we put the right side number here and the other number which is on the left side we take as the carry. 1 1 2. So here is the answer 207 00, and here we write total number of students. Here we arrange it. Total number of students is equal to 20700. Answer. Okay? I hope you will understand it very well. If you have any problem, you can comment me. Okay, Allah Hafiz.